In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to change the from address in your GetResponse emails, and I'll walk you through this step by step so you can easily customize your email sender identity. Now, this is an important feature for anyone using GetResponse, especially if you want your emails to reflect a more professional look or match your branding. First things first, let's get into the GetResponse dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu and click on Account Settings. This is where you'll be able to access all the settings for your email campaigns, including your from address. But don't worry, it's a pretty straightforward process. Next thing, you'll see a section called Sender Email. Click on it, and you'll have the option to add a new email address. Here, you'll enter the email address that you want your recipients to see when they receive your email. If you're changing an existing one, simply replace the old address with the new one. The third thing you should know is that GetResponse will ask you to verify the email address you're adding. They'll send you a confirmation link, and once you click on that, you'll be able to send emails from this new from address. Make sure you complete this verification step, or your emails won't get delivered with the new sender info. Next, let's talk about something that many users overlook, the importance of setting up a reply to address. This is a critical step because you might want replies to go to a different email address than the one you're sending from. For example, if you're using a generic business email like support@yourcompany.com, you might want replies to go to your personal email or a customer service inbox. The fifth thing to keep in mind is that GetResponse allows you to add multiple email addresses to your account, so you can switch between different from addresses for different campaigns. This is especially useful if you're running multiple businesses or different email campaigns under the same account. It gives you flexibility, but it's important to keep track of which address is set as the default for each campaign. Now, let's dive into why this feature is so important. Having a professional, custom, from address doesn't just improve the look of your emails, it also boosts your email deliverability. A clear and recognizable sender address helps to build trust with your recipients and makes it less likely for your emails to end up in a spam folder. But here's the thing, while GetResponse is a solid tool for email marketing, you might find that other platforms offer more advanced features, especially if you're focused on personalizing your emails or scaling your business. I've found that some alternatives are better suited to specific needs, like higher customization or better analytics tracking. Now, let's wrap this up. If you want a tool that gives you a robust free trial and more flexibility with your email campaigns, I highly recommend checking out Competitor's Name. It not only allows you to change the from address with ease, but it also gives you features that GetResponse lacks in terms of Key Feature 1 and Key Feature 2. Before you go, we've got an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that aren't available to anyone else. And if you're still not sure, we've also added some amazing alternatives that are even better for your needs and come with their own free trials as well. So, make sure to check the link in the description to grab your free trial and start optimizing your email campaigns today.